and influence. At the top of it all is El Jefe de los Jefes, boss of bosses, El Sueño.
Let's go.
I'm in. Let's go.
stay there.
Roger that. I got a narco over here. There. By the helo. Who need that chopper? Stay low.
Just spotted one with submachine guns.
Hang back. They see you.
Chinga, otro clavo de madres.
Chingada madre, me huele a puerco.
Looks like they're feeling froggy.
¡Carajo! ¡Nos están atacando! ¡Cúbranse!
They've seen us. Going on.
¡Ya nos esperan! ¡A partir de la madre con todo! ¡Vamos a enseñarles quién manda! ¡Disparen!
They're coming this way. What do you want us to do? Find some fucking cover! Hang on, I'm coming.
Damn, that was close. Yo, rally up.
Copy that. Clear.
I got one of those cartel medals here. Some Sicario is gonna miss this. You think Santa Blanca gives out a lot of these?
I'll fly.
You really ought to let me drive.
Care package claimed. I'll drop the rebels the coordinates so they can grab it.
Next time, ask if they can have it dropped a bit closer to the nearest cantina.
Tango on the balcony.
Hold your position.
I copy. I'm getting its mark. Standing by for go order. I've got the target. Target set, ready to assault.
Got another tango.
Target down. We're good, we're good. We done? Shit, I kinda got all excited there.
Move there.
Copy that. We searching this location for intel? Bad guys in the area. We got a Sicario.
I don't see him.
Okay, we're still alright.
Coopere y todo saldrá bien.
That was close.
My friends all think you're useless. Me? I think we can make an example out of you. You'd be surprised how much people pay attention when they find a man hanged with his own intestines.
You don't need to do that. I'll do whatever you want.
I want you to go tell all your hermanos what happened here. Fucking thug. He's lucky I didn't put a bullet in him.
Shit, that would have been a mercy. Now everybody knows he's a punk. The rebels are gonna make his life hell.
Clear on this side.
Shit, we got company.
¿Qué pedo?
Hang back before they spot you. Hold up. We need... to rally closer.
Got a tango. Go.
Roger. Heads up, hostiles in the area. I got a Sicario with a submachine gun. The airstrip. Take a look.
I got a third target.
I'm moving to position.
Target's marked. Just say the word.
I need a better position.
Target set. Ready to assault.
Good to go.
I need you there.
I copy. I'm getting a position. Let me get a good sight line. Target acquired. Standing by. Ready to fire. I have a shot. Engaging. They found their amigo. Damn.
Clear on my side.
Roger that.
We'll leave a marker so the rebels can pick up these supplies later. fucking hell. Good work. The rebels will be damn glad to get their hands on this cargo. Let's head out. We'll tell them where to find the plane later.
Good to go. You want to check this spot out for intel? Enemy activity nearby. We got a couple of narcos. There, on the bridge.
Move there.
Roger.
This shows where we can find a deactivated rebel radio transmitter. We should go put it back on the air.
You're gonna get made. Hang back.
¿Qué fue eso? Tranquilo, vato, no fue nada.
The body.
Go.
Roger that. I'm opening fire on these shitheads. Dropped him. You guys all good? Damn, I love this job. Roger that.
Hang on, I'll drive.
We're losing unit cohesion. Closing ranks.
En un cuerpo descuidado por cosas más importantes, porque la salud te mata, pero el corazón maltrata y en la
Fire, fire.
Roger, going hot.
Ready? Open fire.
Copy that. Firing. Their LT's escaping.
Está bien, ganaron.
¡Puta madre!
Cincho,
marche.
pinche cabrón.
Either I walk away from here with answers, or, your ears. The choice is yours.
Got him.
Chill the
Clear.
fuck out, Wade.
How you guys
I'm
holding
talking,
up?
all right?
Enemies. And if a man gives me his loyalty, I give mine back. He will share in the fruits of our cause, and he will have
Better
his
not roll
place
this
in our
thing.
paradise. But if a man does not, he will suffer the same fate as our betrayer, Ricky Sandoval. He will die an enemy, screaming till his lungs give out, and then he will be discarded, tossed away.
Looks good. Come on.
Fire.
Roger. Supply chain fucking out.
¡Mierda! ¡Ya la madre! ¡Hay un putero de soldados gringos allá! ¡Bájenlo!
They know we're here. Nice. We're good. Let's see if there's anything worth taking from the truck.
Ready? Open fire.
Copy that.
Commo truck's secure. We'll send the location of the radio gear to the rebels.
Pakatari's got some brass ones, I'll give him that. Give that fucker an inch and he'll take a mile.
If he can get us to Yuri and Polito, it's worth it. Let's get it done.
Copy. Almost at your 20.
Go.
Copy that.
I asked the rebels to do a recon of the area.
Transmitting intel on enemy positions.
Hold up, they're gonna see you. Target's marked. Engage. Good to go.
Fire.
Roger that. Enemy down.
Soldados, chicos. Tienes somos los culeros.
Shit, they spotted us. No hostiles evident. Clear over here.
I got eyes on a weapons case. This will go nice with my boots.
Woman, you will always be seen as la atrapadora who fucked her way up the ranks of the cartel. This is Lidia Flores. And orgullosas buchonas, plebes, you know who you are. Many of the women working in Santa Blanca have asked me how I did it. How did I rise through the ranks to become the most feared and respected woman in the cartel? And I always answer, I act like I ain't afraid of nothing. Like I have the biggest huevos in the room. And like nothing and nobody is gonna stop me from getting what I chingada madre want. And I tell those huevillas, and I'm telling you, do the same damn thing. It's the only way a woman can win in our world. And if you live a life like ours, if you don't win, you're fucking...
I asked the rebels to recon the area for us. I called Pat Katari for some reinforcements.
I'm moving to position.
I see a second target.
I'm getting a position. I've got the target. We're out of the cage.
Their LT's trying to run.
Grenade, move! Firing! Grenade, move, move, move!
Ah, hell. Well, there's always another chopper out there somewhere, right?
Open fire.
Copy that. Boosh, Tango down.
We're clear. You all good?
Got nothing to shoot at.
got company.
Hay personas elegidas desde tiempos inmemoriales para guiarnos a la luz. El camino redentor de la Niña Blanca nos acompaña en estos tiempos de oscuridad. La luz llega de las palabras de nuestro predicador. Venga a nuestros encuentros pastorales. Deje de sufrir. Encuentre el consuelo. Acérquese a la iglesia de la Santa
Son las 9 en punto. Hace sol bonito y va a hacer mucho calor hoy por la tarde. Va a ser parecido por todos los 3 días hasta el jueves, cuando la lluvia viene por la noche y hace mucho viento. Ten cuidado si viaja a las montañas y hasta los fines de semana.
The truck's getting away. We need what's in that truck. Don't worry. I have a shot. They're driving away.
We need what that truck's hauling. Don't blow it up.
Get to cover. Move. They know we're here.
Commo gear's in good shape. We'll pass on the location of the truck to the rebels. Get ready. Fire.
Roger that. Dropped him.
Buckle up, people.
Good to go. Bad guys in the area.
Stay there.
I copy.
Sniper in the tower.
Roger. Let me get in position. Roger that. Target marked.
Sniper, top of the tower.
Think we're all clear now.
There's a weapons case over here. Awesome. I could put this to use. We got a tango with multiple civilians around. Marking target. Watch the background. Tango number 3. Got eyes on a tango. He's got a lot of background.
I'm moving to position.
I need to get to a better position.
Moving to a better position.
Target acquired.
Standing by.
Roger. Target acquired.
Good to go.
I asked the rebels to do a recon of the area.
¿Cuándo se largará este maldito calor, hijo puta? Tranquilo, quedaría por una cheve. ¿No crees que el gobierno debería apoyar más?
Looks like they're afraid of the dark.
¿Qué fue eso? ¿Qué carajo? Pero no veo nada. Avancen en silencio. ¿Alguien se metió en la zona? Nadie mira nada, solo sáquenme de aquí. Siento un ojo de sobra. ¿Qué fue eso? ¿Qué carajo? Pero no veo nada.
I'm engaging tangos. Looks like they're going forward.
Fuerzas enemigas detectadas. Todas las unidades, manténganse en alerta máxima.
Sniper, down, down.
A todas las unidades, comiencen el ataque.
Grenade, grenade.
Rally on me.
Copy, moving.
Eliminen a esa gente de inmediato.
I called the rebels for reinforcements.
Estamos bajo el fuego de armas enemigas y no sabemos cuántos son. Ya vienen en camino tropas de apoyo.
Roger that. Moving. Target acquired.
A todas las unidades, comiencen el ataque.
Hit the dirt, helicopter. Helo's down. Helicopter, get down. Hit the dirt, helicopter. Getting an Apache's moving to position. Get down. I need a better position. Copy that. Moving. Copy. Target marked. Say the word, boss. I got you, man. Just hang tight. I'm heading.
Thanks. Frag out.
Chopper, hit the dirt. Fucking Apache's gonna light you up. Get down. Grenade, move.
Apache's got its sights on us. Take cover.
Grenade, move, move, move.
Apache's targeting us. Get to cover.
We got tangos, danger close.
We got a grunt all by his lonesome.
Where you got him?
Right in the bunker.
Sniper in the tower.
I'm moving to position. Target acquired. Standing
Moving
by.
to a good
Sniper,
sight line.
top of the tower.
Eyes on the target.
Hold up. Let me get a good sight line. Ready to engage. Tango down.
Got some hostile activity.
Eyes on an Unidad grunt.
Point him out.
Inside. At the bunker.
Acá, hermano. No se vaya, somos gente de campo, déjenos ir. Solo queremos ir con nuestras familias. Camarada, en mí tiene un hermano. Gracias por un extranjero.
Ahora sí, huevón. Estos gringos de otro lado escuchan que van a sacar lobos. Gracias. Venga, mucho agradecido. Gracias.
Hold up. We got hostile activity.
Yo, eyes on the grunt. Inside the bunker.
A baby makes 3.
Got it. Moving. Let me get a good sight line.
Got the target.
Target marked. Wait one. Let me get in position. Say the word, boss. I'm opening fire on these shitheads. Round just missed him. He's looking for the source.
Frag out. Come mierda, culeros.
Tenemos una
Frag out.
coordinando actualización de búsqueda.
Grenade! Watch out! Grenade!
You're gonna be alright, you hear me? I'm on.
Fucking hell! That's 5.
algunas unidades enfrentadas a un grupo armado hostil y desconocido. Ya que he instalado lugar tropas de apoyo para terminar con la amenaza.
I'm getting a position.
Let me get into position.
I've got the target.
Eyes on the target. He's dead.
Moving to position. I'm moving to position.
We got hostiles in the area.
I got one Unidad soldier. Over there, in the bunker.
Got it. Moving. Got the target. Got it.
Shit, they found it. Take cover already. I got you, man. Hold on.
Ugh, fuck took you so long? Sniper
Moving
in the
to
tower.
position. Copy. Target marked. Got it. Moving.
Del enemigo. Los rebeldes se retiraron.
Put him in a body bag.
A todas las unidades, comiencen el ataque.
Sniper out there.
Sniper, get down. Moving to position. I need a better position. Eyes on the target. Target marked. Enemy down. Got it. Moving. Let me get a good sight line. Hold up. Let me get a good sight line. Target acquired. Ready to engage. That tango's down.
Acabamos de enviar tropas adicionales justo ahora. Ataquen y destruyan al enemigo. Nos reportan varias bajas. Las unidades para contraatacar ya vienen para acá. El reporte indica que no hay signos del enemigo. Todas las unidades pueden retirarse.
Hay actividad en la última posición enemiga conocida. Comenzando la búsqueda.
Nunca pensé que le diría esto a un hombre. Pensé que no quiero.
Gracias por darme otra oportunidad.
Justo lo que buscaba para acabar con esos cerdos.
¡Vengan, hijos de puta!
I'll drive.
All right, let's roll.
La búsqueda no dio resultados. El enemigo se
No
ha
hay
retirado.
señales de enemigos por aquí. Continúe la búsqueda. El enemigo ha retrocedido. Todas las unidades regresen a su patrullaje normal.
Hold your position.
Copy.
Yo, I got a weapons case here. These supplies will buy us a lot of goodwill from the rebels.
We're good to go.
I've been wanting one of these.
Moving to position. I need a better position.
Target marked. Moving to a good
Wait
sight
one.
line.
Let me get in position. I've got the target. Say the word, boss. Got one.
Fuerzas enemigas detectadas. Todas las... unidades. Prepárense para el combate.
Hemos perdido contacto con el enemigo. Retírense, repito, retírense.
You fuckers trying to...
Hang in there, I'm coming your way.
Thanks.
Cool.
I got it.
Cool.
I'll fly. Ready? Fire, fire, fire.
Roger. Opening fire. Let's run.
Atención. Los enemigos moviéndose por la zona. Fuego de ahora.
Fire.
I copy. Target is down.
Hemos perdido contacto con las tropas enemigas. Todas las unidades mantengan su información de búsqueda.
There might be some intel around here. We're right of the cage.
Put a call to the rebels for some reinforcements.
Opening fire on these shitheads.
That tango's down.
No one can stand up to the cartel's incredible power. But together, there is no way they can stop us.
Clear over here. Ready?
Copy that. Fuck, engaging. They're wrecking the damn emitter. That guy's history. Watch your fucking fire, civilian down.
Those Sicarios are gonna destroy the emitter. We're letting them fuck up that
Tango's dead.
Get the fuck down! We got a man down. Hang tight, I'm heading your way.
Man down, man down.
Move, it's gonna blow.
God damn, that was close.
You'll be fine, man. I'm on my way.
Shit, this storms.
Hang tight, I'm heading your way.
Damn, that's gonna hurt in the morning.
No more tangos here.
Kumpas, this is Pat Katari. Because of your victories, my men are starting to have hope again.
Good morale makes a stronger soldier.
Yes, hope makes men fight. But our fight will need more than sentiment if we are to succeed.
Don't worry, Pac. This party's just getting started. Nomad out. Out of the car now. Don't make this harder than it has to be. Buckle up, people.
Hola.
To the market, Jeeves.
Stay there.
Roger. Watch for civilians. We don't want to kill
Tango
somebody
marked.
by
We've
mistake.
got a civilian nearby.
All right, breathe easy. Fuck, we're made. The lieutenants, let's take cover.
Got something here. Looks like the cartel is operating a cocaine lab on board a converted fishing boat near Campo Ana.
This is just the kind of target we're looking for. Taking out the lab will turn up the heat on El Emisario and force him into the open.
Assholes are coming this way. What's the plan?
I got a target carrying submachine guns.
They've seen us.
Sure are a lot of lights and switches up here.
Rattled somebody's cage. That LT's getting away.
Shit, they spotted us. Unidad chopper, stay low.
Taking a shot. Hit the dirt, helicopter. We've got a problem, fucking Unidad. Check fire! You're all disabled. Reinforcements won't be flying in.
Called for some rebels. I just requested a rebel recon of this area. Shitballs.
Copter, get down. Helo's finished.
Got it. Moving. Eyes on the target.
¡Necesitamos espera! ¡A partir de la madre con todo! ¡Vamos a enseñarles quién manda! ¡Dispare!
I got eyes on a weapons case. This will go nice with my boots.
Moving to position. Copy.
Let me get a good
Target
sight
marked.
line. Target acquired. Stand by.
has done
Ready to
much
engage.
to improve the lives of the average people. And more than that, it has given the enterprising police.
We're clear over here.
Más de lo que creen, but really not that much.
Man, you'll never let me drive anymore. Just 'cause that one time?
Grocery store in the same fucking aisle as tea. All the rest of that green powder is mixed up with a little diesel, some potassium, and some other chemicals. Then you heat it and stir it up like a big Chinese stir fry. Then, when it's still hot, you squeeze the good shit out of the go-kart. You keep the good shit in a pot, and you throw in some baking powder. Let that shit bubble till all the liquid that's left evaporates. Now, wait, you got cocaine. Gonna look dirty as shit, but just a little bit of heat, your portable turns white, and you're in business. Easy. Now tell your mama you don't need no school. You got DJ Perico.
Ready? Open fire.
How not? Oh, here we go. They've seen us.
Clear. How we doing?
Get to the next antenna. Clock's ticking.
Probably got half our time left. Don't let up.
Good job, people. It'll be easier on the rebels if the cartel can't call each other with rebel positions. Got another tango. I got a third. I got another. That's 5.
Got it. Moving.
I need a better position.
Got the target.
Target marked. Enemy down. Roger. Let me get in position.
Let me get into position.
Roger
Eyes
that.
on the
Target
target.
marked. Moving to a better position. Ready to fire. Target down.
Down. You're giving yourself away.
¡Al piso! ¡Todos al puto piso! ¡Un hijo de la chingada nos está disparando!
They're onto us. Watch out.
¡Que la chingada! ¡Hagan algo, cabrones! ¡Nos están tirando!
Getting a
¡Vamos a la
position.
puta patrulla que necesitamos!
Moving to a good sight line.
¡Cabrones! Estos cabrones ya llegaron para ayudarnos. Van llegando
We got more
para
targets for you.
estaba el enemigo.
They're coming right
Lost
for
the
us.
target.
Let me find a good position. Target acquired. Lost my target.
Engaging.
¿Qué chingados esperas? A partir de la madre con todo. Vamos a enseñarles quién manda. ¡Disparen!
The drone is up.
Moving to position. Copy. Target marked.
¡Aguas!
Let me get a good sight line.
Del sur. ¡Lléguenle con la patrulla! Estamos. Hay una patrulla.
Target marked.
¡Ah, huevo, cabrones! ¡Tenemos nuestros apoyos!
Looks like more Sicarios want to get some.
Enemiga conocida.
Enemy down.
Los cabrones
Here they
no
come.
están aquí.
What's the play, boss?
Putitos se pelaron del pinche susto que les dio.
We're settling down. Must think we backed off.
americana. Necesitamos un grupo que vaya tras ese cuello. Llegó el apoyo que estábamos esperando, perros.
They got backup rolling in.
Este punto de encuentro donde estaban los puntos que íbamos a apañar.
Got it, moving. Got the target.
That brings
I
us
need
to
a better
10.
position.
Ya sacamos la pinche guarida de esos güeyes y no hay nada ahí. Vamos a
Target lost.
andar con su pinche rastro.
They're just chasing the fucking tails now.
Estamos por todas partes y nada. Los culeros ya se fueron.
Camp's settling down. They must think we've left.
Sigamos de espera. A partir de la madre con todo. Vamos.
Yo, rally up.
Roger, moving.
Esto no se...
I asked the rebels to...
Esto es justito lo que quería. Comidita. Copy that. Shut out.
Grenade, get to cover.
Frag out.
Fuck, man, that was a civilian!
Good shooting. Let's clean up and move on.
Moving to position.
Let me get a good sight line. I need a better
Let me
position.
get a good sight line. He's dead. Wait one. Let me get in position.
Sea un cristiano, déjeme salir de acá, huevón. No hemos hecho nada. Libérenos, por favor, se lo pagaremos. Ahora sí, mejor. Con estos gringos de nuestro lado, esos charros van a tragar plomo. Gracias. Ay, yo. Llame, gracias.
Let's go.
¿Qué tal? They're gonna see you. Hold up. Looks like we've riled them up.
Frag out. Get some.
¡Puta madre, todos agachados, cabrones! ¡Nos están atacando!
Assholes know we're here. Stay quiet. Take cover.
Frag out. Ugh. Fuck took you so long.
Too late, and the fucking cartel chatter goes on.
I see a second target. I got a third
Got
target.
it. Moving. Copy that.
Target
Moving.
position.
Say the word, boss.
I asked the rebels to recon the area for us. There's a weapons case over here. Awesome. I could put this to use. Here's target number 5.
Engaging. Okay, we're still good.
We got a 20 on the garage where Polito parks his sports car. We snag that, we snag his GPS. Maybe something there will tell us where he and his girlfriend are.
Hey, we got a narco.
Déjenos ir, usted puede. Gracias por esto. Cámanos la puerta. Ahora toca continuar juntos la lucha.
brother, camarada. Está usted invitado a comer a la casa cuando quiera, ¿eh?
Por fin balas, carajo.
We rattled somebody's cage. Their lieutenant's running away.
I called Pat Katari for some reinforcements.
What's up, Karen? Thanks for that intel on the rival cartel. That bit of misinformation.
They're gonna be on top of us
all
in
that
another
cloak and
few
daggery
seconds.
stuff,
What do we do?
It helped out with that Sicario El Jefe made me interrogate. And I'd like to say that my afternoon with Yuri and Polito was the first time I'd ever enjoyed hurting a prisoner, but well, that'd be a lie. I won't pretend I feel guilty about it, but it's not something I advertise. I feel like we can be the bad guy just as much as we can be the good guy, you know what I mean? Like these two lovebirds, for all that bad shit they're capable of, they are just as capable of doing good shit. And they've got this reputation as total psychos, which, you know, they probably are, but most of their interrogation methods are textbook, straight out of the manual from the School of the Americas.
Got another tango. Clear over here. I'll pilot.
I'm on. Let's go.
Spotted one with submachine guns. The lieutenant's trying to escape.
¡Hey! ¡Hay unos pinches soldados yanquis aquí, merito!
I called the rebels for reinforcements. Fire, fire, fire!
Oh shit, we've been spotted.
I called the rebels for mortar fire. Guys ready? Fire.
Roger.
Just requested a rebel recon of this area.
Scratch one.
Got no tangos on my radar. Clear over here. Enemy activity nearby.
This document mentions an Unidad captain who sends prisoners to Yuri and Polito for interrogations. He's gotta know where our lovebirds are, but he's sitting in an Unidad firebase.
Pakatari's rebel movement is on the verge of defeat. If we help him turn things around, we'll be able to count on his support in the future.
There's got to be some intel we can dig up around here.
Dig in. The cartel's gonna hit this place hard once that transmission starts. I put a call to the rebels for some reinforcements. I called for rebels to draw their attention.
Copy that, Yankee. Sending someone to that position.
Frag out. Come mierda, culeros.
Roger that. Moving. Roger. Target acquired.
Engaging hostiles.
Looks like we've riled them up. Guns down. We don't need to frighten these people.
We're clear.
Hello.
Y'all good?
So you can become slaves to the cartel.
Broadcast complete. That should boost the rebels' morale.
Well done, compa. Padres, my speech was heard all over Bolivia. It is only a matter of time before the people rise up and join our cause. Viva la revolución!
Glad we could help. Now what have you got on Yuri and Polito?
Nothing yet. Those two, they cover their tracks well. But my people are working on it. We will know something soon. In the meantime, my revolutionary brothers in Itaqua stand ready to help if you need them. Just call, and they will come.
I'll keep that in mind. I'll drive.
Compadre, I may have someone who can give you information on Yuri and Polito.
I'm listening.
One of my lieutenants managed to escape from them. He fled to a village called Culta. Rather than give my men up to the cartel, the villagers hid him.
Goddamn bravery right there.
In response, Santa Blanca razed every home and executed all the villagers.
Fuck.
My lieutenant is still being kept alive. Probably so he can be killed in an even more painful way.
Understood. We're heading to Colton now.
I'm good. Crank it.
You'll be okay. I'm on my way.
Fucking hell!
Got some hostile activity.
Camaradas, hermanos, fellow cocaleros. I look at your faces and I see the scars the men of the Santa Blanca have left on this land. Stealing our coca, threatening our way of life, burning our houses, murdering our children. A trail of ash and blood. The blood of the people of Bolivia. The same blood that was running in the veins of Tupac Katari.
Hostile. He's close to
The
some
great
locals.
Aymara leader who fought
Moving
the
to
Spanish
position.
conquistadores.
Let me get a good sight line. Eyes on the target
300 years
corner.
ago.
Standing by.
We are tired. We are hungry.
Watch your fire. We don't want to hit any civilians. He's down.
But this blood still runs in our veins.
Clear.
We are Bolivians. Mientras que respiremos, seremos libres.
As long as the army gets away with shit like this, we're never gonna turn this country around.
No threat, no cartel can take that away from us.
Why'd you shoot a civilian?
I look at your faces and I don't see cocaleros. I see warriors. I see resistant fighters.
Good to go.
I see the seed of this freedom that we Bolivians hold so dear. We will oppose them. We will fight them everywhere. We will hunt their worst nightmares until one day they are forced to leave our sacred land. Today, I am not a cocalero. Today, I shall be called Pac Katari. And I take an oath to lead us, the rebels, to victory.
Sniper, top of the tower.
I'm moving to position. 2 grunts. Over by the food container.
Hold your position.
I copy. Got it. Moving. I need a better position. I've got the target. Got the target. Hold up. Let me get a good sight line. Wait 1. Let me get in position. Ready to engage. Hell, sounds like they found a body.